Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin our reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again, and if you're new here, of course we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, Ace of Swords, center of my spread. So the cards I see on the table right now, Capricorn, is a Nine of Wands in reverse, which is bottom of my deck. Somebody is no longer wanting to put in any more effort, any more fight. Some truth and clarity is maybe there. The cards I have on the table right now are the Three of Cups in reverse, Eight of Wands in reverse, but the Ace of Cups is here in the upright. So there was love here, but maybe lack of communication, lack of working together. Somebody feels that this entire thing has kind of backfired on me, and as that clarity is coming, either they have kind of given up or concentrating on themselves because they feel their partner is very, very selfish and not giving to the connection. Somebody is kind of making a decision or has kind of almost like passing judgment on this masculine to say, hey, this person is never going to step up to the plate. Now I have all the truth I need, and I'm going to now not concentrate on them and maybe just concentrate on myself and self-love. Of course, I will clarify each of these cards, Capricorn, but first let me take some dialogue message cards to get the ball rolling here. So Capricorn and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. Let's take another few here. Capricorn and their person. And a few from here to mix it up. Okay. So the first card here says, Capricorn, I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out to show you how much I care and I offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. Very interesting message. I'm going to read it once again for you. I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out and show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and then I feel you even more, but you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know. Let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. That's what I was feeling. Somebody's trying to get some truth and clarity about this connection because there is maybe no communication, no working together, but the love is felt. There is a big Ace of Cups here. The love has been felt, but one person feels, I'm the one who's maybe the only person who loves, and this entire connection has kind of backfired on me. We are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. So again, there's a reference to bad communication here, not being able to work together, even though feeling the love in the heart. You are my muse. If only you knew how much you have inspired me. Darling, you are my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear and tell you and show you how much you inspire me. So one person is saying, tell me, show me. Okay, why aren't you telling me? Why aren't you showing me? The other person is kind of in awe of their partner and says, I'm fearful. I feel maybe I'm not good enough, but please know that I wish I could show you and tell you. Okay, so next card says, deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for all eternity. So somebody knows it deep in their heart that there is a lot of love here, but maybe not showing it, not telling, and that's kind of frustrating their partner to say, hey, I think I'm the only one fighting for this connection. I might as well, give it up. I only want two things in my life, everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you always and forever. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I have ever done. Second reference to somebody being in fear. As much as they feel it deep inside their heart, I think they are unable to show or tell, the partner. I haven't been happy for a long time. Well, I don't blame you, Capricorn feminine, or if you are the one, or whoever, masculine, feminine, I don't care. Whoever's the one who's not being told, yes, I can feel your pain, because even I would be if somebody, you love and that doesn't really show it or tell you. But they are saying you're all I desire. And thank you for your support. I could not have done this without you. It's almost like somebody looks up to the other person. And, it scares them that, they can have somebody so wonderful in their life and they fear maybe they're not good enough and they don't show it. While as the other person is doing all the loving, giving and waiting also to be told. Wanting somebody to have clarity and communication with them. So let's start clarifying these cards, Capricorn. Before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels will bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn, please. Play music. All right. So, Capricorn, don't get too worked up. Okay, maybe your person is kind of just a little quiet, little shy, not being able to, but the love is there. There is a big cup of love on the table for me here. So I'm quite convinced that this is not a bad connection, but maybe there's a communication problem. So yes, maybe this person is trying to speak to you through telepathy or music. Yes, some messages coming through, and maybe when you are with this person, maybe try and use music therapy. It kind of eases out the situation, little romantic, and maybe they'll stop fearing being able to tell you. 3 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, and the 8 of Wands in reverse. Yes, as much as you both feel that there is no working together and there is no lack of communication here, you both heart of hearts do want this to keep, flowing in a. You want this Wheel of Fortune. You feel happy. You feel lucky to have each other. I don't think either of you are really leaving each other either. Okay, this is like an energetic tie that you keep towards each other. This is death in reverse. It's not like any ending. This is like somebody who doesn't want something to end. They want this Wheel of Fortune to move in a healthy, flowing manner towards this connection. So whether you guys are maybe the 3D having difficulty in working together or having bad communication, heart of hearts, I feel you both want the same thing. You want luck, you want happiness, you don't want to let go of each other. Why? Because there is a big Ace of Cups at stake. Ace of Cups, Spirit. Ace of Cups. Yes, the only problem here, the love is there. Okay, Capricorn, the love is there, but somebody here is upset and angry because they are not instantly getting the proposal. Maybe somebody is little upset and angry because they feel, by now you should have proposed to me, by now we should have been married, by now we should have had 20 children or whatever. I'm joking, but yeah, this person is basically saying, where is that commitment I was waiting for? This feminine is upset because they feel that the person is not investing time, energy, attention or commitment into this connection, even though the love is felt. So I have a feminine energy who's saying, hey, if you love me, then show it. I'm upset and angry because you never show me that I mean the world to you. I don't see you putting in any investment towards our future. So 7 of Swords in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Swords in reverse. One more. 7 of Swords in reverse. Oops. Yes, there is somebody who pretends to be an emperor. I think this person doesn't feel as strong as they try and appear. They try and be a little bit of a dictator. It's because they behave in this kind of manner because in reality, I think they don't feel strong enough. This is I think just an act, and because they've been behaving this way and not kind of showing their loving side, this entire thing has kind of backfired. Even though heart of hearts, I think this person knows who they love. They know they've already made that choice, but they've been playing some kind of a my way or the highway kind of game to prove to the world or their partner that, hey, I call the shots. Even though heart of hearts, I think this person feels a little not as strong as they try and appear. And now this person is feeling, oh God, this kind of behavior, this entire connection has backfired on me. I was trying to play this little game, but it hasn't worked. They desperately now want to come out of this stuck feeling. They don't want to be stressed out. So Ace of Swords, what's this? Clarity, truth. What's this truth and clarity? Ace of Swords. One more. Ace of Swords. Somebody is feeling kind of, even though maybe at this time you may feel this is the honest truth, that this connection is over. Maybe both of you feel that way. I don't think heart of hearts it really is, because the world has come out in reverse, which is that somebody really, really doesn't want to let go of their loving partner, and vice versa. I think both of you are still feeling that love for each other. This chapter is not shut. I think this epiphany is happening for this masculine as well, that what have I done? I've let go of the best thing in my life. 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. Yes, they want to now put in work. They do want to put in work. They want to fight for this connection. They're not going to let it go that easy. It's they realize they can't lose this Queen of Cups now. So King of Wands. King of Wands. King of Wands and the Lovers. Somebody is feeling a little embarrassed and ashamed. I think they're unable to take action right now. They're feeling a little, they don't have the courage, I think. Even though the choice is made, they feel that whatever has come out in the open, this was like a tower moment. Maybe somebody's told them, hey, listen, I've made a choice that I don't want you anymore in my life. You're not making any decision. I have a masculine here who's feeling, oh my God, this tower has blown the relationship apart. They're feeling a bit embarrassed. They're feeling a bit ashamed. They know that, they should have made a decision when there was time. Maybe this person didn't have the courage, or they were maybe not financially stable, or not feeling good enough to offer something. King of Pentacles. And the Lovers. King of Pentacles. Wow, okay. So what's this Seven of Wands then, Spirit? Things are going to come back, Capricorn. Things are going to come back into balance very, very soon. This masculine is going through a major tower moment after some truths have been revealed, maybe about them, I don't know. They're lacking a bit of courage. They are feeling a little embarrassed and ashamed of maybe a choice that they should have made. Maybe they spend too much time worrying about it, not being, just worrying about it, that maybe they felt they were not good enough. Maybe they felt they didn't have enough to offer. Maybe they felt a bit ungrounded. But now, since I think the feminine has put up a few barriers and said, hey, listen, if you're not going to commit, then I'm going to protect myself, or, stay away from me. I have somebody who's wanting now to bring back justice into this relationship. They want to start anew, have a fresh new beginning. And yes, this time they do want to offer this Four of Wands. Interesting. So just as one person gives up and says, I don't want to fight for this connection, I am now putting my barriers up, somebody says, hey, can we have a rebirth? Can we start again? So yes, play music, enjoy your time, don't get overly stressed out, because I don't know which side you're on, Virgo, but it's all going to come together. There is love here. There is a fresh new beginning coming for you. Justice will be served, and somebody, or the both of you, I think, are looking forward to this very long-term stable connection. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.